Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on the dark mode on the Threads application. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we are just going to access to our Threads application. So we click on Threads and basically this is my profile. If we go to the settings, we need just to search for some anything concerning the display. So here we can find accessibility, but only it's showing the alternative text or description for other reasons. And even if we see here, even if we go to the account, there is nothing concerning the dark mode or the appearances of our threads application. So basically, to have our dark mode applied on our thread application, we need to change the device or the system display or appearance. So basically, you need just to make your phone as or on dark mode so you can have your account on threads on dark mode. So now we need just to go to the settings of the phone. It can be either like iOS or Android, you need just to search for the settings on iOS, and I'm using an Android phone. So here we need just to go to the display. We can see advanced, and basically this is the device theme where we can choose the dark mode. We click on dark device theme. Here we can find the dark mode. So basically now it's become dark mode, and we should just restart our settings. Let's go back and make it on dark. And we should just restart our device, and you will have your phone on the dark mode. And when you go to the threads, you will find your threads that will turn to the dark mode. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.